I smoke, send semilla to the brain. Bitches on my line, but your boy is getting paid. I rock my Cortez, take a drive to the beach. I'm smoking OG, and my style is straight P. I'm in it just to win it, living right is necessary. Breaking down the pack, yeah, that boy is legendary. Loco be so handsome, and your boys, they be so scary. Yeah, I know your bitch, and that hoe, she just be staring. Money, 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 that's what I be chasing. Money, 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 I chase it, your boy impatient. I roll with some bitches, my life is so nice. I smoke a fat blunt, eating chicken fried rice. Buena la loquera, leve con la güera, pero de la verde suficiente no me queda. Pura mota buena, pura vieja buena. Simón de Califas, tengo cortes, no te agüites. Somos locos, mira cómo andan estos tipos. Bien grifos, fuman marihuana, ya les digo. We on it, we get it, we high and we with it. Cadillac dipping and you know we stay tripping. Somos locos, mira cómo andan estos tipos. Bien grifos, fuman marihuana, ya les digo. We on it, we get it, we high and we with it. Cadillac dipping and you know we stay tripping. Drive to the beach, Cortez on my feet. Rolling 13s, eyes low like we sleep. Lighting up the spliff and yeah we smoking. West side, state of mind, that's how we rollin'. Move your head to the beat. Cortez on my feet, Ray-Bans on my face. Eyes low like we sleep. Lighting up the spliff and yeah we smoking. West side, state of mind, that's how we rollin'. For goodness sake, let me live, don't play your hate. My Cadillac is swinging, smashing through the interstate. You claim you real, but deep inside you know you fake. This ain't no knockoff, it's that shit you cannot duplicate. I smoke a stick, bitches, they all love my whip. When I was rolling bad, the local wasn't getting shit. So fuck a bitch, ask my ex, fuck a bitch. I don't trade tattoos for pussy, man, I ain't no fucking trick. West side, spokes keep spinning and I slang good ink. LA style, that's the beginning. I remember getting bent on a 40-ounce of beer. Tatted up my homies, early 90s was the year. On that Sherm holding fences, Cortez, I was reckless. Now I'm cashing out checkers, and some homies took the bitches.